Wow, that's one way to prioritize. Imagine this. A car in the background, flames flickering under the hood, smoke billowing, and people starting to notice the danger. But here comes our main character, unfazed, with a case of beer in hand. He casually walks up to the car, pops the trunk, and starts loading it with beer as if it's just another grocery run. Bystanders are in shock, some yelling to get his attention, pointing to the flames. But he's laser-focused on fitting every last can into the car. He might even check that nothing's getting squished while he stacks the beer. A fire truck could pull up, hoses ready, but he just grabs one more case, then calmly shuts the trunk and strolls away. This happened in the country of Singapore. In a strange and risky moment caught on a dashcam, a woman literally jumps in front of a car to help her husband merge into traffic. The footage shows her quickly stepping out from the curb and into the lane, motioning for the dashcam driver to stop so her husband's car can enter. While her bold move is clearly aimed at helping him merge, it raises a lot of questions about safety. The driver seems stunned by the incident, which is both unexpected and potentially dangerous. This intense moment unfolded in Ril, where a woman, trying to prevent her friend from drink driving, found herself in a dangerous situation. After stepping in front of the car, she climbed onto the bonnet, hoping to stop her friend from getting behind the wheel. But as the car started moving, things took a terrifying turn. Clinging on as long as she could, the woman was eventually thrown off the car in a shocking scene. Eyewitnesses watched in disbelief as she landed on the road, visibly shaken. Authorities arrived shortly after, addressing both the incident and the underlying danger of drink driving, emphasizing the risks involved for everyone on the road. On a seemingly ordinary day, traffic is flowing as usual. But in the world of road rage, things can escalate fast, especially on two wheels. Motorcyclists often face challenges on the road, and this day was no exception. It all starts with a misunderstanding, a close call between a biker and a driver. Emotions run high as horns blare, and before you know it, things begin to spiral out of control. Quick flashes of the motorcyclist gesturing angrily toward a car, the car swerving slightly, showing the escalating tension without revealing any climactic action. What began as a simple road incident quickly escalates into a full-blown confrontation. The biker tries to make a point, but the driver isn't backing down either. The scene cuts to reactions of other drivers looking on, some with shocked expressions, while the motorcyclist speeds up, passing the car again. In moments like these, one wrong move can lead to dire consequences. Road rage is never the solution, but it's a lesson learned too late for many. How does this confrontation end? You'll have to see it to believe it.